basically.
Yeah, this was like maybe 5-6 years back then.
Correct.
These are very basic things. So I get emotional when I talk about this. Okay, I had this disease called as fleeting ego. It's not a disease, but yeah, it's something. It's a skin condition. मेरे को अगर तब 15,000 मिल रहा था ना, और उनको अगर अभी आप दोगे ना 15,000, तो वो नहीं लेंगे. पता है क्या दिक्कत कहाँ हो रही है? दिक्कत क्या हो रही है कि लोगों को ना नेटवर्क नहीं करना है.
हेलो एवरीवन, हाय, वी आर बैक. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अ न्यू सेटअप. हम नए सेटअप से आज का पहला पॉडकास्ट एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे एंड ये सेटअप के लिए हम थैंक करना चाहेंगे रुचित मेहता, द रे स्टूडियोज के क्रिएटर को. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हेल्पिंग अस विद दिस ब्यूटिफुल सेटअप ओवर हियर. We'll be talking about this later on, but today we have a wonderful guest with us, a charming guest with us, and before I talk about her, I request her to please introduce herself.
Hi everyone, my name is Ritika. I work with Radio City 91.1 FM. I take care of the West region precisely for Digital Client Solution, wherein we have different client categories who come on board with us and we help them to get way more better in the digital space. And previously I worked with the media industry for like 3 years and digital is my karta dharta. So yeah, that's it.
That's nice. That's nice. So, how did you land up in the digital space? I mean, if you could throw some light on that.
Okay, so during my internship days, I just joined UFO, because I wanted to do an internship. I had no interest in media line. Media was not in.
And what were you studying when you joined the UFO?
Okay, so I was studying management studies, which is bachelor's in management studies from Mithibai College. Okay, so there it was totally an OC, eco, accounts वाला subject. Okay,
right.
Media तो कहीं दूर दूर तक कोई relation नहीं था. ये हमको हमारा ब्लैक बुक प्रोजेक्ट जो होता है, जो हमारे लास्ट सेमेस्टर्स में आता है, सो वो तो सिर्फ नेम सेक के लिए आई हैड जॉइंड यूएफओ which was a media firm, and I was thinking twice to join because I didn't like media space that much. Okay. So
back then, basically.
Yeah, this was like maybe 5-6 years back then.
Correct.
Okay. So then I joined UFO, and then I understood media is not about your beauty. It's not about your the way you look or the way you are. It's more or less, I think, about how do you crack small ideas, and how do you put your foot in the industry ahead, be it a vendor, be it a production house, be it a big movie release. How do you crack it? Okay, media is not about glamour as people say, right? कि media में सिर्फ glamour है, वो नहीं है. ऐसा है, obviously media में glamour है, but you have to understand कि तुमको वो glamour कैसे chase करना है. So yeah, hence I landed up in media and digital world.
Interesting. So if I could summarize what you do right now, if at all I want to do something in my life,
okay,
basically if I want to sell a product or want to come out with a brand of my own or something that whatever I want to do, you help me leverage the media in such a way that I achieve my goals. Something on that line?
Correct. So if you come to me saying कि I have my product or a service and I want to sell that, okay, we have different categories and we have different mediums through which we can help you and your product visible in the market.
All right.
Okay, so that can be your social media, that can be your website, that can be influencer campaign for you. Okay, so these different categories. अब social media में भी तुम समझ लो कि मेटा एड्स हो गई, तुम्हारा गूगल, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक. ओके, वेरेन उसमें भी यू हैव टू टेल मी कि डू यू वांट ओनली ब्रांडिंग, ओके, और यू वांट लीड्स, और you want people to just come and know more about your business. So 3 different चीज़ें हैं ना. तुम अपनी ब्रांड सिर्फ लोगों के में से वर्ड ऑफ माउथ कर रहे हो और तुम सिर्फ बता रहे हो कि मैं एग्जिस्ट करता हूँ. I only exist. Now if people want to know more about your product, that's a different no more strategy that you advertise upon. And if you tell me कि मेरे को leads चाहिए, so it's purely on the lead generation that we work on. Okay.
Nice.
And that lead generation can also be integrated via WhatsApp chatbot. Okay. So you know what WhatsApp chatbot is, right?
If you could again throw some light for people.
Okay, so WhatsApp chatbot is nothing but, so for example, if I have a campaign running already, okay, आपने रेडियो में सुना होगा ना कि 932478 पे हाई भेजिए और जीतिए बहुत सारे prizes. So जो 9324 पे हाई भेजते हो आप, वो मेरा WhatsApp chatbot है. ठीक है, सो अगर आपने हाई भेजा तो अगर मेरे को लोगों को एक पर्टिकुलर माइक्रोसाइट पे लेके जाना है, माइक्रोसाइट इज नथिंग बट अ वेबसाइट. ओके, वेबसाइट पे लेके जाना है तो वहां पे जाके मुझे गेम्स खिलवाने हैं. तो मैं वो, अगर मुझे ध्रुव ने हाय भेजा व्हाट्सएप के नंबर पे, तो ध्रुव को अलग से लिंक्स जाएगी, ठीक है, अलग से माइक्रोसाइट की चीजें जाएगी जहाँ पे वो जाके गेम खेल सकता है। और जब वो माइक्रोसाइट पे पहुंचता है तो मेरे लिए वो लीड हो जाता है। आई कम टू नो कि अच्छा ये
you get Dhruv's number and stuff like that. Right?
yeah, because there's a form filling happening. No,
Okay,
there we
okay.
ask for his contact number, age, gender,
Okay.
from where is he coming. So that's how we get leads from there. That's
Nice.
one part of it. The second part of it is called as many chats. Okay, many chat में क्या होता है कि अब फॉर एग्जांपल रितिका ने एक पोस्ट अपलोड किया,
This is all part of the
all
WhatsApp
part of
chat.
the social media thingy.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
all part of social media thingy. Now if रितिका ने कोई फोटो अपलोड किया और रितिका बोल रही है कमेंट गुरु इन द फोटो, नाउ रचित हैज कमेंटेड गुरु इन द फोटो, ओके, रचित के डीएम में डायरेक्टली एक लिंक जाएगी, ठीक है, उसके डीएम में जाएगी। अब अगर रितिका को चाहिए कि वो जाके वेबसाइट देखे या वो उसका ऑनलाइन बिजनेस देखे या वो कैटलॉग देखे, तो उनकी अलग अलग लिंक्स होती है, ठीक है। So very simple thing, let the user comment whatever word you want. Once the user comments that word, a
You
message
fetch that
goes
data.
into the DM of whatever action you want them to do. Fill the Google form, know more about the business, play the games, so on and so forth.
Nice.
So that's called as ManyChat. WhatsApp chatbot is happening via a number wherein you are sending a message. ManyChat is happening via a comment. So that's the difference.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So all this thing is happening in the social media
It's
space.
all in the digital world.
Okay.
It's all in the yes.
And it's evolving.
It's evolving. Yes, of course, it's evolving. No, abhi we have got something called as shake to reveal in the stories, right? I don't know if you use Instagram actively or no. So that's another thing wherein your photo is blurred out, but if you just
Right.
shake to reveal, it will be all clean and neat.
And then again, how do you fetch their data?
Oh no, so that is just for the advertising
Acha,
and branding part
okay,
of it,
okay.
not the lead part of it. Lead part of it can happen via your microsite, it can happen via your chatbot, again your many chats, and all of that.
That's interesting. So let's help our audience today.
Okay.
If at all there is someone who plans to do something new in the social media space or media space,
Okay.
5 things that they could do right now with the
Okay.
technology, that is available right now. For
Okay.
example, the WhatsApp chat that
Okay,
you just said.
okay.
Any specific technologies that they could leverage?
Okay, so now it depends. Okay, so अगर लीड्स चाहिए, ठीक है, so सबसे इजी तुम्हारा आसान होता है मैनी चैट्स, क्योंकि तुम्हारे पैसे खर्च नहीं हो रहे उसमें।
Right.
तुम एक सिंपल सी पोस्ट डाल रहे हो जहाँ तुम्हारे ऑडियंस को बोल रहे हो कि तुम कमेंट करो, अगर मैंने ये ड्रेस पहनी हुई है और अगर आपको ये ड्रेस पसंद आई है, ठीक है, तो मुझे ज़्यादा ऑडियंस चाहिए ना, आई वॉन्ट मोर कमेंट्स विच मीन्स मोर विजिबिलिटी, right? My post will be available in the feed sections also of different users, right? So मैं क्या करूँगी, उनको बोलूँगी कमेंट कर दो और उससे मुझे पता चलेगा कि अच्छा ये लोग इंटरेस्टेड है, उनके डीएम में जाएगा, तो वहाँ से मेरी रीच बढ़ रही है, ठीक है, तो वहाँ से मेरे लीड्स बढ़ रहे हैं, which is ManyChat. WhatsApp chatbot मैंने बोला ही अभी आपको.
Right.
हाँ.
Let's start with the basics.
अच्छा, okay. So then if you want to just start your social media, you'll have to plan your calendar accordingly.
Right.
You'll have to have the content in place, as in, are you targeting festivals? Are you targeting events? Are you targeting specific people in your city or
Right.
in your region? Okay. You'll have to know precisely कि तुम्हारे पेज के लिए तुम्हारे demographics और geographics लोकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग या साइकोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर के अकॉर्डिंग स्टैटिक्स विल वर्क मोर और carousel throwing many information at the same time will work more. Okay.
ये दोनों पे थोड़ा लाइट डाल सकते हो, स्टैटिक एंड carousel.
तो स्टैटिक्स में क्या होता है, इट्स अ पिक्चर, ओके, वेयरइन ओनली अ सिंगल पिक्चर इज अवेलेबल, ओके,
Right.
जिसमें सब इंफॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी थ्रो की जाती है, ठीक है, एडिशनल
Like
इंफॉर्मेशन.
basic Instagram post, something like
Correct.
that.
Now, if I want to know what is a studio, okay, I am only going to write what is studio. Studio is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now, if I want to elaborate more, what is studio? What are the
Right.
advantages of studio? What are the disadvantages of studio? And if I want to throw everything in one line, okay, wherein I want to make my audience hook to it and read it, okay. Read-ons होती है ना, तुम swipe करते हो, है ना, उससे कहते हैं carousel. एक के पीछे
Okay,
images.
okay.
So you'll have to understand कि will your user actually be interested in carousel, okay. Now there's something called as swipe up stories, very basic generic stories, okay.
Right.
You upload a photo, you upload, and then उसके नीचे you give a website link where you have to redirect your customers. Oh, these are very basic things. Swipe up stories, your carousels, your statics, your CTA has to be defined, okay. The CTA call to
Yes.
action
Okay.
has to be very clear, okay. If you
Right.
are in a business line, You cannot just, if you're selling a product, तुम no more या contact us का page नहीं डाल सकते. That's in the sustenance part of it, right? Sustain जब पूरा हो गया है camping, sustenance can happen via after sales service का page, contact us का page, right? But in the selling part of it, the product description, the product CTA has to be predefined and absolutely written well.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Too much of work. लोगों को लगता है छोटा काम है, but too much of work है.
Yeah.
Interesting. So, Ritika, apart from this, I mean, you're also a tutor.
Yeah, of course, yes.
If you could go, you could, visit that vertical of your life.
Okay. So I am a visiting faculty at NAEMD. Okay, I teach MBA students who are into event management and sponsorship. Okay. So my day-to-day thing with them is that I make them understand what exactly is the event world looking like. Okay, it's not about just going and doing the on-ground thingy. There's something called as smart, measurable, achievable objectives that you have to achieve, right? So measurable is if you're doing any event, okay?
Right.
अगर तुम event कर रहे हो, so sponsors आना बहुत ज़रूरी है, right? अगर sponsors ही नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो तुम event नहीं कर पाओगे.
Right.
It's like of a zero value to your event. You don't have a measurable cost to it. How will you measure an event, right?
Right.
So that's a part of it that I teach my students. Okay, I tell them how to excel even if you are on ground working absolutely in and out day and night to get a stage setup done. Okay, that's a big thing. You have to like contact 10,000 vendors, get the quotations on board, have a Gantt chart in place, right? कि तुम announce करोगे, तुम teaser लेके आओगे, तुम final movie दिखा रहे हो, ठीक है? तुम बाद में उसका sustenance कर रहे हो, आफ्टर सस्टेनेंस ब्रांड फिल्म निकाल रहे हो, ब्रांड फिल्म के बाद तुम ये कह रहे हो कि तुम रिकॉल करना है ना वो ऑडियंस को तुम्हारे नेक्स्ट इवेंट के लिए, राइट? सो दीज आर डिफरेंट इवेंट मैनेजमेंट टैक्टिक्स दैट वी आर स्टडिंग, मी एंड माय स्टूडेंट्स. देन देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड एज स्पॉन्सरशिप्स. ओके, so sponsorships can be barter, or it can be pro bono, or it can be 100% cash. Okay,
Right.
so barter में क्या होता है कि तुम 50-50 काम करते हो, ठीक है? अब अगर आप और मैं हैं, if you are into cinema and I am into events, I'm going to give my tickets to you, okay? Wherein you'll give it to your clients. In
Right.
return, you will advertise my advertisement on your cinema.
Got it.
Okay, that was one of the profile that I worked for UFO. Okay, so and the second thing is 100% cash, of course. Okay, you in cash, you give the cash, and you get your advertisement place. So yeah, that's about it.
So you teach this to kids?
Yeah. So
students, I mean.
Correct. So sponsorships and event marketing. How to market your event well.
So how has this journey been? I mean, how have you learned or evolved by just teaching? Because it is said that when you teach, you understand the most.
Correct. So I think I never wanted to get into this teaching space until my very best friend Amit Narvekar. I want to tell his name on this podcast because he's my he is the one who has lifted me up.
Nice.
Now there's something called as TEDx, which I'm going to go for in the next month.
Fair.
Okay. So I used to deliver lectures. Okay, and I think if you're delivering lectures, if you're coming on this podcast, this is my second podcast.
Okay.
So if you're talking to someone, you can obviously you are sharing knowledge, right? You are sharing what you have learned for and what you have been learning all your lives, and in 2-3 years of your professional life, right? So then Amit told me, yeah, let's give a try. एक बार visiting faculty के जैसे let's just start something. Let's see if we can cope up.
Right.
And you won't believe when I every Thursday and Friday, okay, when I go outside to teach my students, when I open those textbooks, they feel like a mere thing for me. Because we are already doing it in the practical world.
True.
We are implementing it.
Very true.
So, those are MBA students who will go in the practical world. For them, practicality is the king, right? Theory is a part of it, जो वो लोग exam में लिखेंगे. So I've been very, very upfront to them. You and I are not in the theory world. You and I are in the practical world. For us, event का फिलिप ने क्या बोला है, माइकल जैक्सन क्या बोल रहा है, इवेंट क्या होता है, जस्टिन बीबर के अकॉर्डिंग इवेंट क्या होता है, हमको वो नहीं जानना है. हमको ये जानना है कि अगर हमको आगे इवेंट इंडस्ट्री खड़ी करनी है और हमको हमारा कुछ स्टार्टअप करना है तो वो क्या होना चाहिए.
Right.
हमको वो सीखना है इन द एंटायर MBA syllabus. So you and I are friends. You and I are in the practical world, and you and I will make sure that by the end of this semester or your journey, you have something in place already with me. So that's how you build, right? That's how you build.
And you've been teaching for how long now?
I think it's just been 1 month.
A month, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And now, there are two more set of questions that I generally ask.
Yeah.
One is, everyone has, a challenge which
Yeah.
they overcome and they sort of, find a new self of
Yes.
their own. I
Of
mean,
course.
and this happens with everyone. I mean, and
Yeah.
everyone has their own story of, first succumbing to that thing and then coming
Yeah,
out of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, if you could, share your story with us today.
So, I get emotional when I talk about this, okay? I had this disease called as fleeting ego. It's not a disease, but yeah, it's a skin condition.
Okay.
Okay, so I had these huge patches, brown patches on my entire body, okay?
Right.
So, from my toe till my head, okay, they were like huge patches. So, what used to happen is whenever I used to walk down for a shopping, I used to go to the markets, लोग ना मुझे घूरते थे, ठीक है? और वो खड़े होके घूरते थे.
That constant eyeballs.
हाँ, exactly. And whenever I used to cross the road, okay, people used to like stare at me as if they've never seen a girl in their life, okay. And even now when I'm speaking, I am like little hyperactive, okay. So होता था कि वो मुझे दुखता था कि यार क्यों देखते हैं, देखा नहीं है क्या आज तक लड़की को कभी देखा नहीं है कि वो बाहर जा रही है या कपड़े क्या पहन रखे हैं, ओके. तो मेरे को वो चीज़ ना हर्ट होती थी. There came a day in my school wherein near my canteen area, boys passing by used to tell me, oh, look at the map of India. Oh my God, she looks like zebra. Okay, यार उसकी skin देख कैसी है, okay. So I used to be
that level of body shaming is happening.
Yeah. So people used to keep talking to me. People used to come to my parents and tell me, यार इसको ये क्या problem है? एक काम कर, गंगा जल पिला दे, गाय का, pee पिला, yeah, whatever.
Right.
So Ayurvedic, homeopathic, we've been to.
So many experiments have been done on you.
Everything is done, okay. But I think you know what? Your mind is the game.
True.
Okay.
Right.
Your thoughts are the game. Okay. So one fine day during COVID, I used to like mix 2-3 medicines, apply on my body, on my naked body.
Right.
Okay. I had these ointments where I had got it from Chennai precisely. Okay. So I used to mix, be there in the room for like 1 hour, sit with those medicines, sweat in summers.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Then one fine day I told my dad कि पापा मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. Mom and dad, the way I am. Let's stop everything. Let's see what is in it for me. Let's see how it goes. Okay. And here I am one fine day, giving lectures, talking to students, networking. And then I realized, कि bro, it's okay. Even if you don't have hair, you are fat, you are thin.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
True.
What matters is your personality and the way you put your foot ahead, right? So yeah, so it's all about your thoughts, okay, in the end.
Right.
And क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है लोग क्या कह रहे हैं? In the end, it's you, your family, your friends, and your lover, right? So yeah.
So eventually you accepted yourself the way you
Yeah,
are.
and even if I get them back, which I won't, of course, but even if I do, I am up for it.
You're more than okay with that.
Yeah, I'm up for it.
Right.
Take me as you want. I am up for it.
Nice.
Yeah.
That when you struggle a lot and when you overcome that struggle, you
Correct.
feel that power within. I mean.
And I think it's not struggle per se. It's the way you accept yourself.
Right.
And
Your mental state matters.
exactly. And I think spirituality also plays a role out here. Don't you think so?
Absolutely. I mean, spirituality is knowing yourself first, and then the world energy would flow in.
तुम कितनी भी राम की माला कर लो, तुम कितना भी कर लो, but if you don't accept yourself, number one, number two, if you don't connect to the universe, okay, you have to connect to the universe,
True,
right?
true.
Universe is a larger part of it. Inside that, we have certain deities and gods, correct? So if you throw positivity to the universe,
That will come back.
things will come back to you.
Absolutely.
It will come back in a positive way to you.
True.
Right? So yeah, that's about it.
Wow. No. So I'm with a saintly person right now.
Yeah.
And eventually, I'm pretty sure you come from a business family.
Yeah.
Just by the way you are talking, I could understand. So what's your penultimate goal in life?
I am 24. By 26, I'm going to quit job.
Okay.
I'm going to start something of my own. Because my dad is into textile, the yarn, the cloth.
Right.
Okay. I am from Jaipur. Okay. So I want to start something from my own city, from my own region.
You'll be relocating to Jaipur.
Not relocating from
Okay,
Jaipur.
okay.
I'll be managing people
Okay.
from here, you know, if they can help me out there. Okay.
Nice.
So it will be more or less in the cloth industry only, because my father is a veteran of
Okay.
the cloth culture. Yeah.
Nice. So you'll be starting your own venture.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you plan to start it? I mean, have you thought anything
Yeah,
that will
so
be here?
बांधनी ना बहुत दिल के करीब है, ठीक
Okay.
है, और जो बांधनी की वो ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स होती है ना,
Right.
वो बहुत करीब है.
Okay.
तो आई एम श्योर बाकी ब्रांड्स भी ना वो ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स कर रही होगी, ठीक है, बट आई वांट टू गेट इनटू द नीशा पार्ट ऑफ इट, वेयरइन ब्लॉक प्रिंट इज जस्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. लोग हैंड प्रिंट्स भी करते हैं, बहुत कुछ करते हैं, एम्ब्रॉयडरी
Right.
भी करते हैं, ठीक है.
Right.
My main focus is business, of course, but in the interiors of Rajasthan, wherein I have these women, okay, who are too charismatic, they know how to do things, okay, but they're not explored the real world out
True,
there.
true.
Art is into their gene, and I'm very close to art, okay. Art is not just color, paint, art is not just drawing anything, it's a free form, right? You let your mind flow, right? It's a free form wherein you let your mind flow, you let the designs flow. It need not be a square, triangle, circle, oval, okay, it can be of any shape. It's an art, right? Art can be immersive. So yeah. So,
Interesting.
So yeah.
So you want to sort of give the art that those women who have over there
Yeah,
a
so-
wider base.
पता नहीं चलता है ना, हम अगर कपड़े खरीद रहे हैं तो अगर प्लेन टी शर्ट है उसमें एक लाइन खींची हुई है तो फिर भी लोग पहन रहे हैं ना. फॉर देम इट्स फैशन, इट्स एन ओवरसाइज फैशन हैपनिंग आउट,
right.
राइट? सो you can't say art is shape, color. No, boss. Art is a free form, okay. For you art must be colors, for you art must be shape, but for me it's not that. It's a free form, it's an immersive, it's a dynamic platform. It can be played anyhow, anytime.
And you will be using social media for sure.
Yeah,
okay.
obviously because I do this thing.
Right. So again, one question that I ask every entrepreneur: how important is sale when it comes to entrepreneurship?
Okay, sale is a second part of it. Okay, the first part of it is understanding the brief about that company before going outside in the world. Okay.
Okay.
Now by that I mean is कि अगर आपका कोई बिजनेस है, ठीक है, और अगर मेरे को आपको आके मेरा काम बेचना है,
Right.
ठीक है, तो मुझे पहले आपका बिजनेस समझना पड़ेगा ना, कि अगर मैं मेरे
Yeah, being an entrepreneur.
okay.
You have your own cloth thingy and
Okay.
your own block print.
I'm trying how to do sales. Okay.
That's okay. I mean,
Yeah, I mean I'm trying.
that's again an art. You need to master it.
Yeah, so I mean I'm trying. I am not sure, but I think sales is about leveraging different mediums.
Absolutely.
Okay, don't you think so? So social media is one.
So eventually, sales is about just that. I feel social media is more of marketing, but sale is eventually any sale is done when you have money in your account.
So मैंने अभी बार्टर का सिस्टम बताया था.
Eventually, it's the same thing, right?
Yeah, I mean हाँ, more or less the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So अगर पैसा है, चाहे वो 50 रुपए ही हो या 100 रुपए ही हो.
You're
You
getting
should-
a value for your product.
Correct.
So how important? See, for an entrepreneur, there are many verticals in a business, right? So how important is sales as a vertical,
अगर सेल ही नहीं तो धंधा कहाँ से आएगा?
right?
और अगर धंधा ही नहीं है तो लोगों को खिलाऊंगी कैसे?
So how do you rate sale as a vertical,
Now I get it. I think it should be the second most
and which would be the topmost?
priority. The topmost priority is me understanding my people needs, wants.
Interesting, fantastic. Yeah.
Then
Yes.
I would want to know कि अगर मैं ये शर्ट बना रही हूँ और अगर मेरे लोग इसमें 60 रुपए में काम कर रहे हैं तो मुझे 40 रुपए या 20 रुपए मेरे जेब में रखना है, which is a profit for me.
Right.
And then I have to understand कि what bag. Third thing, second is sales. Second is your sales criteria. Then the third thing comes is how good am I going to put that money forward to make. I am not going to use that money for my own self. I will re-push it in my business
Okay.
so that it grows. Okay.
Interesting.
Putting my money in my putting the
So you'll be
profit I get-
reinvesting the
correct,
money to make sure that your
correct,
sales are
correct.
growing and the company is growing.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all that.
yeah.
Nice.
Not using it on my own self or my own fashion luxury. No.
Right. So when we were studying chartered accountancy, our sir used to tell me, or rather ask, which is the most important vertical in any business? And there were like three verticals that he threw.
हाँ.
First one was HR,
हाँ.
second
वही जो
was
मैंने बोला people's needs,
yeah,
wants.
second was sales, and third
Correct.
was finance.
हाँ.
So तीनों में फर्क ये होता था कि sales is the blood,
Correct.
the money that comes in.
Correct.
Finance is how do you route it.
Correct.
Yeah, it's more like how do you plan streaming it, and HR is who would be utilizing it and how much would one be utilizing it, right? So जो सीए के बच्चे पढ़ते थे उनके लिए तो फिनेंस ही सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है।
हम्म।
बस पैसा तो आएगा पर उसको यूटिलाइज अच्छी
Utilize
जगह से
करना,
करना है।
हाँ।
बट सर ने
मेरे ख्याल
बहुत
से एक चैप्टर भी होता है यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज या आप
So,
लोग
वही,
बजटिंग या कुछ तो
हमारा फोकस ही अकाउंट्स नंबर्स रहता था ना,
हाँ,
सो
हाँ,
our focus area was that. But sir said a fantastic thing that right now you feel finance or sales is important. When you start your own venture,
Then
you'll understand HR is more important.
yeah.
Because getting a good resource, getting a good employee, getting a good colleague is more important than money.
Absolutely. Now you tell me, if your resources are exploited, don't you think पैसा आएगा? नहीं आएगा.
So you are dependent on them.
हाँ.
So there is a difference between self-employed and being an entrepreneur.
Absolutely.
So when you are self-employed, you are doing the entire thing.
Correct.
But when you are an entrepreneur, you are motivating others to do that thing for you.
Correct. And if you become angry, if you become sad, your people are also affected, right? So
They mirror you basically. And
Correct.
that is what happened.
Yeah.
So that was the thing. So
Yeah.
you plan to be an entrepreneur, and
Of
that is
course,
why I
yeah.
thought I'll share my little knowledge with
No,
you.
but this is like, absolutely. I think without people, you can't function.
True.
Yeah.
So any closing remarks, Ritika, that you would like to share today with the audience that
I
is watching
started
this?
young. I started at 20. Okay.
Right.
And I'm at 24. I started with 2,500. I am into 5 or 6 digit numbers right now. Okay.
Right.
Sailing different verticals.
Nice.
Okay. I think start young. Okay. Even if you are starting at 18 or 19, you are getting one project or one freelancing job a year and you
Right.
are earning 1,500, let's say 2,000, take it. Invest it, take it. Just don't think कि यार मैं MBA खत्म करने के बाद जो मेरा वो internship का फेज आता है ना मैं तभी करूँगा, या मैं BMS कर रही हूँ तो internship का जो black book का फेज आता है मैं तभी
So
करूँगा.
basically, pounce on every opportunity that's coming.
Yeah, pounce it, but also like for me, media was never a thing. Okay,
Right.
never means never a thing.
So experiment as well. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, experiment. Start young. Keep your mind
Open to
open.
ideas.
Yeah, and don't accept negativity, because if you accept negativity, one negative leads to 10 negatives.
That will multiply.
Yeah, so that's about it.
Nice. And how important for an early professional is money in their life? Because I feel that the current lot is behind money right now. From day one.
Correct. So I'll tell you what I have seen. Huh? So I have seen my friends or people who are like just 1 year younger to me. मेरे को अगर तब 15,000 मिल रहा था ना, और उनको अगर अभी आप दोगे ना 15,000 तो वो नहीं लेंगे. पता है क्या अब दिक्कत कहाँ हो रही है? दिक्कत यहाँ हो रही है कि लोगों को ना नेटवर्क नहीं करना है, लोगों को बातचीत नहीं करनी है, लोगों को ये नहीं देखना है कि अगर मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ ना तो मुझे इसके पीछे उनको, अगर वो लोग 2 बार पसीना बाहर है ना तो उनको उससे डबल पैसा चाहिए.
Right.
Teenagers have come into this stage कि यार मैं 1 घंटे के लिए जा रहा हूँ ना तो मुझे इतना सिर्फ 200 रुपए या 300 रुपए क्यों मिल रहे हैं?
Right.
ठीक है, वो माइंडसेट बहुत बेकार हो चुका है.
And that too from day one. They have.
Yeah, from day one. I have friends, I have people who are younger to me, like 2-3 years younger to me. When they talk to me, they're like कि रितिका मेरे को internship मिल रही है but सिर्फ 5,000 दे रहे हैं. I was like what? So what? I mean, प्रॉब्लम क्या है? 5 दे रहे हैं ना.
Right.
तुमको तो उतना तो मिल रहा है, हमको तो उतना भी नहीं मिल रहा था. We used to get, I told you, 2,500.
Right.
Okay, at a very base level. कुछ नहीं आता था हमको तभी भी, but तब तो दे रहे थे.
आपको motivation सीखना है ना.
हाँ,
So it doesn't matter.
right.
It shouldn't
So-
matter. Rather.
Yeah, so I think whatever you get, just take it. Okay, धीरे-धीरे
Right.
वो बढ़ेगा ना. तुम्हारा.
Eventually, aim should be to learn. This is what I feel.
हाँ, even if you learn, automatically money will.
Things would flow in.
Correct.
To improve your game,
Yeah.
learn the skills,
Yeah.
and then things would happen eventually. Be patient. That's what I feel.
Yeah, be patient, stay young, start young, keep your head clear, and just do it.
Nice. Fantastic. It has been a wonderful time
Yeah.
talking with you about your
Thank you.
experiences, about your journey, about your challenges.
Thank you.
And more power to you for that.
Thank you so much.
But again, it was a pleasure having Ritika with us.
Thank you.
Truly a wonderful person, a great entrepreneur in making, and just wait and watch. This space is going to grow big. I mean, thank you so much.
Thank you.